All right, so we're here with Joey Branker, and Joey, you guys had a huge second half. You had over 200 yards receiving. Talk about this game. The first half was ugly.
Yeah, the first half we were struggling. Coach just told us to come out, and whoever had more heart in the game was going to win. And so I came out here just trying to make plays. And as soon as they gave me that slant, gave me the opportunity, I was just trying to make plays and scoring touchdowns.
And how'd your quarterback do, man?
He did well. He struggled a little bit at the beginning. Then we were just telling him just take care of the ball, and he did it. And the defense took care of their part, and everyone did what they needed to do.
Tell me about the first half, too. You guys aren't getting anything on. You barely even had any plays on offense.
First half, they controlled the ball the whole time, and we didn't know what to do. We weren't getting on the field. We couldn't game plan enough, and we were just waiting until we got the ball.
Was there a little Orange County pride on the line?
Oh, yeah.
I mean, they're one of the tops in San
yeah.
Diego.
Oh, yeah. We came in here and we just wanted to beat them up. We wanted to beat them up bad because I guess they were talking bad about us, and they were 3-0. We're 3-0. We had to get the win, and we got it.
Right
so
on,
we're happy.
congratulations.
We're happy. Thank you.
All right.